claiming your Patient Assistant Transport Scheme subsidy just became easier. Did you know you can lodge your claim online? You can lodge from your desktop computer, laptop, tablet or smartphone. It's safe, fast and easy to use. First, go to the pats.sa.gov.au website and click on the online portal to register. You'll be emailed a login number and temporary password. Once you have completed your registration and attended your specialist appointment, return to the PATS online portal to start your claim. Enter your claim details online and upload scans or photos of any necessary paperwork, including any travel or accommodation invoices, then click Submit. It's that easy. Approved claims will be paid directly into your nominated bank account. Try lodging your claim online today. If you have any questions about eligibility or making a claim online, contact our friendly staff on 1300 341 684, email us at pats@sa.gov.au or visit pats.sa.gov.au.